of the smaller box. This, oh, careful, careful, careful. Oh, shit. What's up, squids? Welcome back to the channel. My friend is going in for his motorcycle test. So we were at the lot trying to do some figure eights, serpentines and whatnot. So I'm gonna set up the cones and I wanna show him and you how to pass your test at the DMV. Let's go.
I'm an idiot.
Alright guys, change of plans. I just found out that PennDOT is closed today, so the lot is gonna be open out there. And I think it's best to do it at that lot so you get an idea of exactly how the test is gonna look at a lot. Instead of using this one we got right here. So we're gonna go to the lot right now and then we're gonna start the test over again from there. So let's go. Alright guys, we're heading to the DMV lot. So dude could get some practice in the actual lot and not the lot that we usually normally go to. Because the lot has already set up test area already, so we're gonna do that over there. I keep getting a lot of questions about the big box and the small box, so I want to clarify. The big box is for the bigger bikes like trikes and bikes that don't have a wide turning radius. That is what that's what the big box is for. I want to point that out to you when I get there. So I made this earlier, and for some reason my GoPro wasn't recording, so now I got to do it all over again. I have here a new rider. He just got his permit, and he's trying to go do the test soon. So I'm helping him learn how to do the figure eights and the serpentines and the stop in the box so he can pass that test. He just, like I said, he just got his permit and he just bought this bike. So this bike has been in the family for a while. This is the bike I was learning to ride on when I first started. So now he has it. I made a couple of videos with him, and unfortunately I deleted those videos by accident. We had a group ride last week, and he was in the group ride and he did pretty good. I had a whole recording of everything. It would have been a really fun video to watch if I didn't accidentally screw up and deleted the whole damn video. I had a whole bunch of footage from 3 different cameras, because you know how I do, you know how your boy do. So bro, if you're watching this, I am truly sorry. Lean that bike, boy. What happened?
That goddamn mirror. It's falling off.
I got a thing in my bag. We'll tighten up when we get to the lot. Okay, so here is the box we were talking about. See, there's a small box here and there's a bigger box here. Well, this is the box. This is the box we're talking about. So let me put the cones out for him so he can do the test. All right, guys. For reference, this box is 45 feet long. 45 feet long by 28 feet wide. I get a lot of questions about this outside box. This line right here and this line right here I get a lot of questions about this outside box. This outside box is for the trikes and for the bigger bikes. So you see how it extends from right here and it goes all the way out here. See, the box still keeps going, so it goes outside of the smaller box. This, oh, careful, careful, careful! Oh, sheesh!
Got that on video.
Yeah, I got that shit on video, bitch. I got you on video. Any damages?
Nah.
You need to fix that mirror, right?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna go get the thing so you can fix that mirror. Let's get her done. Let's go. So let's start over the test. So ignition on. Let me have your right indicator, left indicator, high beams, high beam off. Let me walk to the back of the bike. Right indicator, left indicator. Give me handbrakes. All right, and then now I check the inspection on the bike. Make sure the registration inspection is good. I got everything. I saw his insurance and registration card, so the bike is good. All right, so I'm gonna give you the instructions again. I need you to go down here, and I need you to do 2 serpentines in this box. 2 serpentines in this box without putting your foot down more than once, and then come back here for your next instructions. Alright guys, so the serpentine cones are down. So he has to do these serpentine cones. Now remember, the serpentine cones are 12 feet apart. You could put down 5 or 6 cones. But try to get them to the length of the figure 8 box. So that's 1 there, 2 there. You'll get it, bro. Relax. It takes time. Okay guys, I want to apologize for the way this video is ending. I wanted to take him to the lot and show him how to pass his skill test during the figure 8 and the serpentines and the control braking. I want to show him that, and by virtue show you new riders how to also pass your skill test. But after my friend dropped the bike, 30 minutes after, he was like, his confidence level dropped from an all-time high at 8 around to about a 1, and he just wasn't feeling it anymore. So we literally only spent like 30 minutes at the lot. So we didn't really do much, and I didn't get to really show much. So after that, and his confidence went down, I took him to Wingstop, and I tried to explain to him, what you see me doing in my videos in the figure 8s actually took me months to learn how to do. I did not get it on the first try, and I wasn't expecting him to get it on the first try. But apparently he was expecting to get it on the first try because he's riding on the road, it looks so easy. He figured, well, doing a figure 8 in a parking lot shouldn't be a problem, which could have been further from the truth, because he literally dropped the bike on the first attempt. Because you see me doing it on videos doesn't mean that, hey, it didn't take me months to learn how to actually do it. So don't take it for granted because you see somebody doing something on video, oh, I can do this too. That's actually not the case. So I was trying to tell him, many of us fail at our first attempt at figure 8s. And some of us fail our skills test on the first attempt. Not many people get it on the first try. But if you practice and practice for months, you will get it on the first try. So I know he's watching this, and can you give him some encouragement in the comments, please? Could you let him know, well, hey, look, figure 8 isn't easy. You don't just get it on the first try, because he's of the opinion when he first started, he was going to get it on the first try, and now his confidence level is like, I don't know. So if you could let him know in the comments, hey, this happens to all of us. It happened, I told him it happened to me. It happened to many people. We don't ever get the figure 8s on the first try, and some of us never get the skills test done on the first try. Sometimes we gotta go back to the DMV a second time around and get it done. Alright guys, if you're trying to pass your skills test, I left a link in the video of the figure 8 box, the serpentines, and the control stops. All the measurements are in there. Everything you need to know, everything you need to bring to pass your skill test is in there. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Pieces. Bye.